welcome back to another vlog. I'm coming to you straight from Camp Verde, Arizona. I am here on a press trip I'm so excited for with Arizona Key magazine. They are a travel magazine specializing in all the amazing things that Arizona has to offer. So last night we stayed at the Scottsdale resort at McCormick Ranch, which was gorgeous. I'll have some cutaways now showing the beautiful, amazing property over there. We had such a great time relaxing at the pool, eating really good food, and having a couple of drinks or two. So we had one day to kind of like reset, relax, get acclimated here before we have like the busy itinerary that lies ahead of us. So we are getting ready to go and have a team lunch, and then we're gonna go to a shopping area nearby, and then we're gonna take a magic trolley ride around Sedona, which I'm super excited for. So it goes without saying, I'm super excited and grateful to be here, and I can't wait to show you guys around. So we have made it to Tlaquepaque Arts and Crafts Village. It's so cute. It's just off the main highway here in Sedona, and there's tons of art galleries, jewelry shops, lots of Native American souvenirs as well. This place is literally Instagram goals. There are so many cute little hand-painted tile steps and living walls around every corner. So let's go take a walk and see what we find. So it's hotel room tour time yet again. We are at the Cliff Castle Casino Hotel in Camp Verde, Arizona. We're gonna be here for one night. This is such a cool little spot. So we've got 2 beds. I really like the light fixtures in here. We've got some wireless charging for your iPhone. Plenty of outlets. I'm gonna be doing some work here in a bit. A fully stocked coffee bar with water, Keurig. Here's a look at our bathroom. And because I'm one of those people, here's a look at the products. Sweet apricot, that sounds really good. No animal testing. Looks good. All right, so it's day 3 of our Arizona adventure, our second day in Sedona. And we started this morning checking out the Cliff Castle Hotel. We loved our stay there. I love that they had a casino, tons of different restaurants and entertainment options. A really nice spot that was kind of unexpected. So this morning we started the day off at Red's Restaurant at Sedona Rouge. We're gonna be checking in this hotel a little bit later on today. We just did a property tour, seeing their original building as well as their new addition that they added on about 2 years ago. There are some really nice suite room options if you are coming with a family or a larger group. All rooms either have a view or a patio space leading out into a garden or a balcony, so it's really nice. They also have yoga every morning. They have fire pits. There's like a hidden hot tub that has a view of like the Red Rocks, which is gorgeous. They do weddings, special events here as well. Now we're gonna be taking off for 2 really fun activities. First is the Out of Africa. It's like a safari kind of experience. And then the second activity of today is going to be the Pink Jeep Tour. So with that said, let's get going.
It's working. This is gonna be steep. Hold on to your butts.
Okay, so we've just checked into the Sedona Rouge and our room is amazing. Look at this. Oh, loving the furniture, the headboard. Everything in here is just so cute. And we have a little gift. That's me. Ooh, yes, Pinot Gris and fruit and cheese plate. Definitely gonna enjoy that in a little bit. Wine opener, coffee kit, a really nice TV. They even have Chromecast so you can watch your Hulu and Netflix. Not that you want to, because this is our view. And out here on the lawn, they have yoga in the morning. And we have the bathroom with this glorious tub. I can't wait to soak in that later. It's just so classy. It's like desert chic. I love it. So here's a look at the products and then the shower.
Because the breakfast here yesterday was really good.
So this is cornflake crusted French toast. We've got a fruit bowl. We got some lime yogurt, wheat toast, and chef's omelet with chilaquiles. All right, so we're now at the last stop of our Arizona trip. We are staying at the W, Scottsdale. It is located right at the waterfront downtown, walking distance to everything. We actually came here last time for an event and it was super nice. They had like live music in the lobby. They have a pool area with pool parties on the weekends. They obviously have the Bliss Spa. So just behind this like barn sliding door thing, we have this super chic bathroom. Shower is in here. Very nice. Again, Bliss products. Love staying at W hotels because their stuff is seriously so good. And then behind this door, we have the toilet, of course. So we have just checked into the W Scottsdale. We're staying here for one night. It's our last night in town. We toured this property on our last trip to Scottsdale last year in November. And I'm super excited to be back to be staying. Last time I was at this pool, it was like a nightclub. So it's a very different atmosphere during the week, during the day. So it is 105 currently. It's currently scorching. Makeup is melting off. These are new prescription sunglasses I got, by the way. They're from Jins. I'm not really in love with the shape with the tinted lenses. I have these exact same frames in regular glasses, which I love, but I don't know, I kind of feel like they're the wannabe like Matrix sunglasses. There's always a lot of stuff happening around this area in Scottsdale, which we've learned from our last trip. This hotel actually has rental bikes that are free for guests to loan out for the day. They want to go explore the old town or see what's around. In the lobby, there's like an area called the living room, and they have music almost nightly. There's a lot of stuff happening at this property, and it's always kind of buzzing with activity. They actually have a Sushi Roku restaurant in this hotel, which we're gonna go to for dinner tonight at 6, which I'm super excited for. That's what we've got going on today. And tomorrow, we've got some really fun stuff planned with Arizona Key. We're actually doing a hot air balloon trip. So tonight, we're not gonna get too crazy. Just do dinner, catch up on some work, and then go to bed because we have a really early wake-up call tomorrow. We have to get picked up at 4:30, so yeah, that's what we're up to now. One other thing I wanted to update you guys on is the sunscreen I'm using on this trip. This is La Roche-Posay. This is their Anthelios 30 Cooling Water Lotion Sunscreen. And I have a couple sunscreens I'm trying out from them right now. This one has been my favorite so far because it blends into the skin. It's not minerally or chalky. It feels nice and like hydrating and cooling on the skin. It's definitely a lotion texture. They have another one that kind of left some chalky residue on my black bikini top. So this is the one I prefer. It's of course fragrance free and paraben free and gentle on sensitive skin. like all La Roche-Posay products. I really love this brand, and they've been sending me some products to try lately. Mostly everything I try from this brand has become holy grail, so this is definitely one of them. I'm also a fan of their Anthelios fluid for the face. So yeah, check it out. I'll have it linked down below. Hey guys, so we've got a super exciting morning activity today. We're going in a hot air balloon. I've never done this before, and rumor has it this is the second largest hot air balloon in the state of Arizona. It's colorful, it's got a cactus on it. You won't be able to see it until it's fully inflated, and we're gonna be getting in it in just a couple minutes here, and I am so excited. Basket fits up to 20, and there's the balloon all deflated. When this is inflated, it's up to 12 stories high. So it's our last day here in Arizona. We're in Scottsdale, like downtown, old town area, checking out some spots. We've got these sweet rental bikes from the W Hotel, and they're little beach cruisers, so they're super fun to ride, but it is so hot, so we're gonna take our photos and get on out of here pretty soon.